Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence, or AI, will shape our future? The impact of AI is already being felt in many areas of our lives, from healthcare to transportation, and its potential to transform our world is only just beginning. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, where we'll be talking about Midjourney AI and how to use it effectively. We'll also be exploring Midjourney Discord and how it can help you in your AI journey. So let's jump right into it. Midjourney AI is a cutting-edge AI platform that provides a comprehensive suite of tools for developers and data scientists. It helps you develop, train, and deploy AI models with ease. Midjourney provides a range of tools such as a drag-and-drop interface for building models, a dashboard for tracking model performance, and a RESTful API for deployment. With Midjourney, you can quickly develop and train models without the need for extensive coding knowledge. To get started with Midjourney, you can simply sign up for an account on their website. Here's how to use Midjourney AI Generator, a groundbreaking text image generator, so that you can use a simple text input to generate AI images and art like this or this in just 2 minutes. It's so easy to use and absolutely free. The easiest way how to access AI Midjourney is via AI Midjourney Discord. Discord is a free communications app with tons of capability. So step 1, if you don't already have Discord, go to discord.com and either download the app for Mac or Windows or use the web version and create an account. It's nice and easy just like this. Here we are inside Discord. Step 2 is to join the Midjourney community. So click the Add Server button on the left, then just search Midjourney. Or if you see it in the browse feed under Featured Communities, just click that. You'll see the welcome screen. You can check out the Getting Started area. I'd recommend you do that. Otherwise, just looking around. Here we are inside the Midjourney server. And we just need to click Join Midjourney here because we're just in preview mode. You'll have to go through and verify that you are human. When joining Discord servers, sometimes you get stuck on this step. So just keep trying until it works. And you can see the Midjourney icon on the left, which signifies that we're now joined inside the community. Next, just ignore everything on the left-hand side and come down to the newcomer room. And here's where we put in our inputs. So the first thing is to put /imagine, then put in your prompt, in this case, a portrait of Egyptian goddess wielding a lightsaber, primitive Giza in the background. But the pyramids are taking off like spaceships, epic Starfield night. Scott will also add an AR-16-9 here. You can also add in hyper-realistic and fork for higher resolutions. And now we press enter. So we're in the queue here. And now we're generating, and you can see that it is doing it in different stages, gives you a readout of what percentage, and here we are. We're finished. Well, that's actually pretty cool. I don't mind these ones. Yeah, it's given us 4 images here to choose from in this first run. Now we have options. We can either upscale each of the 4 images, or we can just regenerate all together. And we can just do another version of one of those images. So I quite like the third one. So I'm going to ask it to do 4 more versions of this one. And there we go. We've got 4 variations of my favorite one there. I like the second one the most here, so I'm going to choose that final output, so upscale that one. And just while that's loading, a journey is only free for the first 25 prompts. After that, you'll have to pay. Therefore, purchasing a paid subscription is better if you want to generate many images. For $10 per month, you will get 200 minutes to generate pics and unlimited generations and relaxed mode. For $30, you get 15 hours and unlimited generations in relaxed mode. And for $60, you will have 30 hours of fast generations available. To use it always for free, you will have to create new accounts every time. On the main page in the Discord, we are interested in rooms called newbies. We choose any of them. There are people like us sitting here who create their pictures, and we can see what they created. Under the terms of Midjourney, all people can use our generated images. We may also download and use any images generated by other users. You need to enter a request in this field to generate a picture. Enter /imagine. This is the command to create a generation. Then we enter prompt. This is exactly the request. Write something here. At first, it doesn't matter to us what to write here, because first, we must sign a user agreement here. Need to click accept. All right, now we can already write our requests. We write /imagine prompt and for example car. So while our request is being processed, let's talk about how to find requests. There is a very active feed here. And while we wait, other users throw in their requests, and our requests will be lost somewhere behind. Keeping track of your requests is easier by clicking on this inbox icon. Here on the tab Inbox will be all your requests. We wait until our request is completed and click on Jump. And here is our request. In the top line, we have an upscale option for each of our 4 generated pictures. U1 corresponds to the upscale of the first picture, U2 to the upscale of the second, and so on. On the bottom line, we have variations. If we want the Midjourney to make a variation of the third picture, we must click on 3. Also, we have this icon. If we click on it, the Midjourney will generate other variations for us. If we like the picture, click on it and click Open in Browser in the browser. Right-click, select Save Image As and save our image. If we need to save only one version of the image, we first need to make it upscale. For example, if we want to download only the second option, we need to click on U to wait for the upscale to be ready. Click on Inbox, we see that our upscale is ready. Click Jump to go to our picture and open this picture in the browser. Then save it. After creating the final work, we can still make some additional variations. We can also redo the upscale so that other people's user requests do not interfere with you. And it's convenient to use. It is better to create your own server. Midjourney AI is a web-based platform that allows users to develop, train, and deploy machine learning models. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to developers of all skill levels. The first step in using Midjourney AI is to create an account. Once you've created an account, you'll be taken to the platform's dashboard. From here, you can create new projects, import existing projects, and access a range of tools and features. One of the key features of Midjourney AI is its drag-and-drop interface. The platform allows users to drag and drop data files, models, and other resources directly into the platform's workspace. This makes it easy for users to get started with machine learning development without having to worry about the technical details. Once you've uploaded your data, you can start building your model. Midjourney AI offers a range of pre-built models that you can use as a starting point. Alternatively, you can build your model from scratch using the platform's intuitive interface. Once you've built your model, you can train it using the platform's built-in tools. Midjourney AI allows users to train their models on a range of data sets, from small data sets for rapid prototyping to large data sets for production-ready models. Once your model is trained, you can deploy it to the cloud using Midjourney AI's deployment tools. The platform offers a range of deployment options, including AWS and Google Cloud Platform, so you can choose the option that best suits your needs. So what are the benefits of using Midjourney AI? Well, for starters, it can help you develop and deploy machine learning models quickly and easily. Its drag-and-drop interface and pre-built models make it easy for developers of all skill levels to get started with machine learning development. Midjourney AI can also save you time and resources. By using the platform's built-in tools for training and deployment, you can focus on building your models rather than worrying about the technical details. In conclusion, Midjourney AI is a powerful tool that can help you develop and deploy AI models with ease. With its range of tools, Midjourney makes it easy for developers and data scientists to build intelligent systems that can help businesses make informed decisions. And with Midjourney Discord, you can connect with a community of passionate individuals who are dedicated to advancing AI. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Midjourney AI today and join the Midjourney Discord server to start your AI journey.